tennen. We use this when talking about food, water, hot springs, and also when describing someone's personality. 天然、食べ物や水、温泉の話でよく使います。人の性格を言うときにも使います。It is used as a noun and as a na adjective in Japanese. Tennen literally points to something that is in its original state or born that way, and by extension can describe a person who acts innocently or spacey without calculation. 作ったり化学処理をしていない本来のままという意味です。また、人の性格では計算せずぼんやりした感じを表します。The first kanji means sky or heaven. You see it in tenki for weather. It also appears in tensai for genius. Think of things that come from above or feel natural. The second kanji means so or in a natural way. You see it in shizen for nature. It also appears in tenki, meaning of course. It adds the idea of as it is or by its nature. Protecting natural resources. 天然資源を守る。天然資源を守る。Use natural gas. 天然ガスを利用する。天然ガスを利用する。Made with natural materials. 天然素材で作る。天然素材で作る。Making the most of natural flavors. 天然の味を生かす。天然の味を生かす。The most common synonyms of the word are shizen and mutenka. Shizen overlaps when you mean natural or by nature, while mutenka fits food labels meaning no additives, which is a specific type of natural, clean product. The most common antonyms of the word are jinko and kako. Jinko is the opposite of natural origin, and kako means something has been altered or treated, unlike items left as they are.